Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Having some money-saving strategies under your belt might be a lifesaver because of the growing debt levels, volatile markets, and declining oil prices. If worst comes to worst, you'll know how to survive a recession. Here is how to survive a recession. Number 5. Save an emergency fund. Unfortunately, we have no influence over a recession, but we do have power over how we react to and become ready for one. Before the next economic crisis occurs, make sure you implement some or all of these methods to recession-proof your finances, since taking preventative actions may make a big impact. Saving for an emergency fund is essential when getting ready for a recession, because when the economy begins to falter, our jobs and our income may be in danger. Emergency savings will provide you a safety net to fall back on so you can ride the wave and come out of the recession on your feet, regardless of whether your hours have been reduced, you've lost your job, your company isn't earning any money, or you made some bad financial mistakes. Try to save up to 3 to 6 months worth of your income, if you can, so you won't have to resort to credit when times are tough and money is tight. A mistake that often bothers individuals for years after the fact is using credit as a safety net. Most people don't anticipate the need for a higher income than they have presently to pay back the money they borrowed, plus interest, during the hard times. Tough times always last longer than you'd think, so debts from these times are always greater than anticipated. Since most people are used to living on their entire paycheck, they don't have anything extra to repay this debt. So they have to either increase their income or significantly downsize their lifestyle to afford to repay the debt at their current income level. Number 4. Make a budget. It's true what they say, carrying debt is a burden. Furthermore, during a downturn when employment is hard to come by and money is short, having to make such hefty loan payments can further heighten an already difficult situation. It is now necessary to evaluate your financial condition, including all of your outstanding bills, and to develop a strategy for paying them off. It may be challenging to pay for daily costs during a recession, let alone debt repayments, which can lead to an uncontrollable increase in your debt. High debt loads are dangerous, since even a little change in outside circumstances might make it difficult for you to make payments. While you may be able to make payments right now, a job loss or an increase in interest rates together with banks reducing credit restrictions might make things worse. Setting up a budget that correctly represents the money coming into your home and where that money is expected to go is the first step to effectively paying off your debts. Having a budget can help you discover expenditure areas you can reduce, so more of your money can go toward paying down your debt if you aren't attacking your debt as aggressively as you should, or worse, adding to your debt. Here are some thorough steps you may follow to create a household budget, helping you live within your means and improve your money management. Number 3. Humble down your life choices. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket, as the proverbial phrase goes, which may be applied to your source of income. The inherent danger of relying entirely on one employment for all of your income is that if the economy collapses and you lose your work, you will also lose your single source of income and your ability to fulfill all your financial responsibilities. Having many sources of income may be quite beneficial. You have other revenue streams to rely on to keep you afloat if one source of income begins to decline or is entirely removed. Gaining a second job isn't always necessary to diversify your income. In fact, if your spouse works in a different sector than you already have some. However, if you want to expand your horizons and earn more money, you may look into a variety of choices, such as renting out a room in your house, a space in your garage, or even going so far as to purchase a rental property. Number 2. Make changes in investment. Investment diversification is just as crucial as income diversification. If you have the majority of your assets invested in stock market securities, a downturn in the economy might be disastrous for your finances. And it's because of this that diversifying your assets is so important. Make sure your investments are distributed over a variety of sectors and even asset classes in your investment portfolio so that you will be less influenced by market fluctuations and your losses won't be as severe. Number 1. Different options for investment. You may put your money in a variety of different investment vehicles to diversify your portfolio. Real estate is a popular investment that often increases in value over time, whether you're purchasing a house, an apartment, or even land. Bonds have often been a fantastic method to generate income, while investing in stocks is a smart strategy to help your portfolio expand, particularly the stock market index. You can think about investing internationally, since geographic diversification helps you lessen your sensitivity to economic downturns. To summarize, some money-saving advice that may help you survive in a recession includes diversifying your income sources, creating a sizable emergency fund, and learning how to adjust to a more austere lifestyle. Although we have little influence over a recession, we can have power over how we prepare for difficult financial times. Well, this brings our video to an end. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.